Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make AI generated sticker in just using CapCut PC. So before we start, if you need some creator pack, you can check the description down below and also leave a like in this video. Thanks. Let's start. First, you need to open CapCut PC desktop version. You can download this online and also open it with just free version. And after that, you can go to stickers. When you go to stickers, you can see there has AI generated tab. You can just press this and you can see this is my previous generated image from capcut on sticker. You can just generate your stickers by using prompt. So for example, let me show you a cat with a strong muscle. This cat must be animated. Okay, you can just generate it. Before that, you can adjust the settings. You can have the style, cartoon, stroke, collage, 3D, pixel, crayon, or even oil painting. So let's choose cartoon as our example, and after that you can just generate your sticker. So you can see the sticker was generated on AI. And if you want to have reference from others sticker to make your familiar sticker, you can go to showcase, and in showcase you can see other example, and this of all the example they also include the prompt, the comment that they use to generate this sticker. So you can just copy the prompt and also generate your sticker and improve the prompt based on your properties that you want. So basically that's all for today's video. If you like those stickers, you also can download the sticker into your desktop or even your PC. So that's all for today. Thank you.